I was with a client yesterday and she specialises in helping business owners become great public speakers. And she asked me, as a psychologist, what did I think was one of the biggest fears that people had that stopped them actually speaking in public? It's not an easy question to answer as there's so many different reasons. However, the chances are the root cause is probably what is called a compulsive negative habit pattern. What the fuck is that, I hear you ask? You might well ask that as well, because to simplify it, it's the fear of rejection or the fear of being judged. In today's society, the world is completely polarized. It's the people that are vaxxers, they go for the vaccine, those that are anti-vaxxers. There's conservative, or there's Labour, there's black or white, or you support Spurs, or you support Arsenal, or Manchester United, or Manchester City, or Liverpool, or Everton. Or you could say that you must wear a really smart business suit to go to work. Or you could say you wear shorts and flip-flops. Or you might watch the news or you might not watch the news. It's totally polarized for everybody. It's different. And the best you're going to get on a good day is 50% of the people are going to like what you're saying. So, another 50% are the complete opposite. So trying to please everyone is complete and utter bullshit. You're never going to do it. So worrying about it is complete madness. So the real trick is to have your own opinion, okay? Be respectful for other people, because after all, it is only an opinion. And if you would like to know more about compulsive negative habit patterns and the fear of rejection, then have a look at this. You never know, you might just learn something. And if you've enjoyed this video, please watch the next video just here, or subscribe to my YouTube channel just here.